So hello everyone. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Julliana Munsayac from STEM 12 St. PB. So for this video, our topic is all about the cell organelles and its functions. Now, for this topic, my first step is to think a village that I can compare the function of a cell organelle. So I came up with the idea that I will use the Smurf village. If you are not familiar with the Smurf village, it is a game that you can make your own village, but your workers on your village is called Smurf. They look like a blue dwarf, and each house of a Smurf has a game to play. Like you can cook, you can make over the Smurf, and you can build the house, and many more. So ngayon, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang village na ginawa ko. So ngayong nakita nyo na, ipapakilala ko na sa inyo kung ano ang sinisimbolize ng mga bawat bahay na yan sa mga cell. First, as you can see at the front of the village, there's a wall. And that wall serves as my cell wall. The second one is there's a gate in the middle, and it serves as my cell membrane. Then the third one, as you can see, there is a windmill on the left side, and it serves as my mitochondria. And then the fourth one is, as you can see, there's a yellow roof mushroom house. It is served as my chloroplast. Then the fifth one is, as you can see, on the right side, there is a big red roof mushroom house that serves as my nucleus. And lastly, as you can see, there is a yellow pathway there in the middle, and that serves as my endoplastic reticulum. Now, I will explain to you the 6 parts of the village and why I compare them to the cell that I have mentioned. First is the cell wall. I compared the cell wall to the wall on the village because the cell wall is the cell protective outer layer. It is primarily found in plant cell. Kaya ko siya inihalan tulad sa wall doon sa ginawa kong village dahil magkamukha sila ng function. Dahil ang function din noong wall or barricade doon sa village na aking ginawa is to protect the Smurfs that is living on the village. Then the second one is the cell membrane. I compared the cell membrane to the gate on the village because the cell membrane is a cell outer layer that helps and keep its form while it's also allowing certain substances to enter and exit the cell. So kaya ako sinerve yung gate as my cell membrane dahil magkamukha sila ng function. Ginagamit yung gate sa Smurf village para makapasok at labas yung mga worker Smurfs. The third one is the mitochondria. I compare the mitochondria to the windmill of the village because the mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is involved the synthesis of energy required for the cell's different metabolic function. Kaya yung windmill na yon, yung nag-serve ng mitochondria sa Smurf village na ginawa ko dahil they have a same function. Dahil yung windmill din na iyon ay nagsiserve bilang powerhouse ng buong village. Dahil dito lahat nanggagaling yung electricity sa buong village. Dito nanggagaling yung mga electricity na kailangan nila para sa kanilang mga bahay. Then the fourth one is chloroplast. I compared the chloroplast to the yellow roof mushroom house because the chloroplast is found exclusively in the plant cell. Contains the green chlorophyll pigments which together with the action of sunlight and H2O. In the process called photosynthesis, manufactures food for the entire plant. So, yung yellow house na yon, kinompare ko siya sa chloroplast dahil meron silang same na katangian. Dahil kung ang chloroplast ay may chlorophyll, doon naman sa loob ng Smurf house na yon, meron silang oven. Na yung oven na yon, siya yung nagmamanufacture o siya yung nagpa-process para makagawa ng own food para sa buong Smurf sa loob ng village. Then the fifth one is the nucleus. I compared the nucleus, the red roof mushroom house, or the main house on the village. because the nucleus stores the cell hereditary DNA and it controls the cellular activities like metabolism and reproduction. Kino-compare ko siya doon sa main house sa village dahil itong bahay na to ay same ng nucleus. Dahil nagsiserve or nagko-control din ito sa kung ano ang activities na dapat gawin ng isang Smurf sa isang buong araw. The sixth one is the Endoplastic Reticulum. I compared it to the yellow pathway on the middle of the village because the Endoplastic Reticulum provides mechanical assistance. It serves as a cytoskeleton and it helps to maintain cell organelles in place. Kinompare ko ito sa pathway na middle ng village dahil same sila ng function. Dahil yung pathway din na iyon ay nagsuserve ng assistance sa mga Smurfs at tumutulong din ito para ma-maintain ang tamang posisyon ng mga Smurf sa loob ng village. So ayon, yung mga nabanggit ko na mitochondria, chloroplast, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, at endoplastic reticulum, yung anim na yan ay iilan lamang sa mga part ng cell organelles. So sana may natutunan kayo sa akin ngayon. Once again, I am Julliana Munsayac from STEM 12 St. PB.